All right, guys, welcome back to another video with your man Jay. When it comes to picking a car mount for your car, there are limitless options, but you want to make sure you pick the right one. And that's why I teamed up with Andery to get this special car mount for my car. You guys recently know I picked up another car, and I'll be putting this one in that car. So this is a MagSafe style car mount. This is the package that it comes in, and you just want to get a reliable source. So I saw their mount, and I said, yes, this is definitely going to be a good thing for me. So I'm just going to slice through here, get real rugged with it. This video is sponsored by Andery Cars and Car Mounts, and I think you really should check the link in the description to grab yours. Already, compared to some other car mounts that I get in, that I purchased, this one seems like it's well put together. I'm going to do an installation for you as well. Got to find the right spot for it. These are the accessories that comes with it. And this is if you don't have a MagSafe phone. That's what you see these in there. That's what these always are. So you got your instructions here. But this is a car mount, and I'm surprised that they give such detailed instructions. They even have color. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. This is nuts. This is crazy. So this piece right here, obviously, is if you're going to mount it to your dash. You can see here. Be sure to read over the instructions. I'm trying to think where I want to put this. I would love to put it on glass because I have a nice big window in the car. So let's put the package aside, and here we are with the actual mount. Whoa, yeah, and this is the carbon fiber too. So this, oh man, already folks, I can tell you, I wish I could show you, but I won't do it to the other OEMs. This is probably the most premium car mount that I have of all the car mounts. So you guys have seen me review car mounts before. Wow. And I like that it has the locking mechanism opposed to the ones that are just stick on. These are very strong. And for the price, folks, I can't believe they're giving this locking mechanism, but this hinge is super strong on here. And I think this is going to be a huge win. Just for reference, look at how strong that mount is. This is a Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this is a heavy phone. So yeah, that is really nice. And I'll be testing it with that phone as well out there in the car. Wow, this is nice, very nice. And again, that carbon fiber right there. And so this piece right here is if I wanted to mount it to the plastic part of my dash. You would mount this part here. You make sure you clean it. And you would suction cup it to this portion. And hoping that I can find a good spot on the window, or there's a small window in my car that I want to mount it to. So I'm hoping I don't have to use that. But if I do, I do. And then here's all the other accessories. Like I said, this is for people that don't have MagSafe. And then you've got your 1 and 2, which is wet it first and dry it. And then they even have a little, this is crazy, man. This is to install these rings on your phone. This is wild that they're giving you all of this for a car mount. I've just never seen a company go so far in detail with a car mount. So I'm gonna load it up. I'm gonna head out to the car, and we're gonna put this mount in. Really loving the carbon fiber, nice subtle branding. And I'll peel this off once I find the spot that I'm gonna put it in. But let's take all of this just in case I do have to mount it on the hard plastic portion of my dash. Anyway, let's get outside and let's install this bad boy. All right, guys, so we're out in the car, and this is the window that I wanted to put it on so it can kind of poke out here. So I'm gonna give it a quick test to see if it'll actually fit in there. All right, guys, that area over there is a little too tight. So I chose the classic spot just on the windshield. There's lots of dash up here for me to mount it. But I wanted to make sure it was really secure to facing me pretty much, and I didn't want to have to put too much pressure on the actual mount. But my gosh, folks, look at this. That is beautiful. And the mount is perfect because when I'm driving, if I didn't have navigation in my car, this would be perfect. This would be the perfect spot so you can keep your eyes on the road. Instead of some people putting it down here, they're looking down here in this area when they're driving, or they have their phones down here somewhere. It's better to have your phone within eyesight when you're doing a mount. Yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and go for a drive with that heavy Galaxy S26 Ultra and see how it holds up. All right, Galaxy S26 Ultra is mounted up, and we are gonna drive just real briefly here, just around so we can see how the mount is actually gonna hold up. This is probably, along with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, this is probably my heaviest phone here. All right, and we are moving. Yep, it is extraordinarily, this is a good mount, folks. This is a good mount. I'm just gonna turn down here just to kind of Give you some sense of, find a little bit of a bumpy area. This road here is kind of bumpy. It's smooth, but bumpy enough when you turn. But overall, folks, this is going to be an extraordinary mount. And again, this is probably the heaviest phone that I have. And I think you guys will probably be really happy if you decide to pick this up. Just driving here, and yeah, the phone's doing great, man. Like, this is, the mount is doing great, I should say. This is a strong mount, and this is a perfect, again, this is a perfect location if you want to drive with navigation and you don't have navigation in your car. Because if I didn't have navigation, I'm telling you folks, this is where the mounts should go. This is the perfect spot, and I gotta say, I'm extraordinarily impressed with this. Let me park, and we'll close out the video. Okay, safely back at the house. This mount is certified by your man, Jay Will. There's a link in the description to grab yours. Wow, this is an amazing mount. I gotta say, I'm totally honest. I could show you my other mounts, but I don't wanna, bash the other OEMs. This is by far the top mount that I have in my catalog. And I have 4 cars, and they all have different mounts. In my Corvette, I had to use adhesive on there with that one because it just wouldn't stick anywhere. This one, I think I'm gonna mount another one of these in my Corvette because I drive fast in that car. It's your man Jay. If you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.